Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Luna.
And I'm Zane. Today, we will help you become fluent with 175 daily conversation sentences.
These sentences are simple, useful, and perfect for real life.
Yes, and remember, fluency comes from daily practice and confidence.
Let's begin with simple greetings. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let's use these in a natural conversation. Hi, Zane. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. This is how you start a conversation in English.
Now let's move to everyday questions.
What are you doing right now?
I am talking with you.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
What time is it?
It is 7 p.m.
These are very common questions.
Now repeat after us.
What are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now?
Where are you now?
Where are you now?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Excellent.
Now let's move to daily routine sentences.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get ready for work.
I eat breakfast.
I leave my house.
I go to work.
I come back home.
Now let's use them in a conversation. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Then what do you do?
I get ready and eat breakfast.
And then?
I leave my house and go to work.
That sounds like a good routine.
Yes, simple and clear.
Now let's learn useful vocabulary. Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Brush means to clean your teeth.
Shower means to wash your body.
Get ready means to prepare yourself.
Leave means to go out from a place.
Work means your job or office.
Now question and answer practice. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast daily.
Where do you go in the morning?
I go to work.
Very good.
Now let's do shadowing practice. Speak clearly and confidently.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get ready for work.
I get ready for work.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Great job.
Now let's add some more daily sentences.
I feel tired in the morning.
I drink coffee to feel fresh.
I check my phone.
I read messages.
I reply to emails.
I start my work.
Let's use them in a conversation. What do you do after breakfast?
I check my phone and read messages.
Do you reply to emails?
Yes, I reply to emails.
When do you start your work?
I start my work at 9 a.m.
Perfect.
Now vocabulary again.
Check means to look at something.
Reply means to answer.
Email means a message on the internet.
Fresh means full of energy.
Now, quick Q&A practice. Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my phone.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Do you reply to emails?
Yes, I reply to emails.
Excellent work.
Now let's do shadowing again.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I read messages.
I read messages.
I reply to emails.
I reply to emails.
I start my work.
I start my work.
Amazing.
Now let's build confidence.
I can speak English clearly.
I can speak English clearly.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I am not afraid to speak.
I am not afraid to speak.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
You are doing great.
Keep practicing daily.
In the next part, we will learn more real-life conversation sentences. Welcome back, everyone. You are doing amazing so far.
Yes, keep going. Your confidence is growing step by step.
Now we will learn more daily conversation sentences for real-life situations.
Let's start with simple feelings and daily expressions. Repeat after me. I am busy right now.
I am free today.
I feel tired.
I feel happy.
I feel a little stressed.
I feel relaxed now.
Now let's use them in a conversation.
Hi, Zane. Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am busy at the moment.
Are you free later?
Yes, I am free in the evening.
How do you feel today?
I feel a little tired, but I am okay.
That's good.
Very natural conversation.
Now repeat after us. I am busy right now.
I am busy right now.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes.
I like coffee.
I don't like tea.
I enjoy listening to music.
I like watching movies.
I love spending time with my family.
I like learning new things.
Now, conversation practice. What do you like?
I like coffee and music.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
What do you enjoy?
I enjoy learning English.
That's great.
Now, vocabulary time.
Like means you enjoy something.
Enjoy means you feel happy doing something.
Spend time means to use your time doing something.
Relax means to feel calm.
Now Q&A practice. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I enjoy music.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and listen to music.
Very good.
Now, shadowing practice. Speak clearly.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
I enjoy music.
I enjoy music.
I like watching movies.
I like watching movies.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Great job.
Now, let's move to social interaction sentences.
Let's go out.
Let's grab a coffee.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's talk later.
See you soon.
Take care.
Now a real-life conversation. Do you want to go out today?
Yes, let's grab a coffee.
That sounds great.
Let's meet at 6 p.m.
Okay, see you soon.
Take care.
Very simple and useful.
Now, let's practice more daily conversation sentences.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
What are you doing later?
I am meeting a friend.
Can I join you?
Yes, of course.
That will be fun.
Yes, it will be great.
Now repeat after us. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market.
What are you doing later?
What are you doing later?
I am meeting a friend.
I am meeting a friend.
Excellent.
Now, let's learn vocabulary.
Market means a place to buy things.
Meet means to see someone.
Join means to go with someone.
Later means after some time.
Now Q&A practice. Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
What are you doing later?
I am meeting a friend.
Can I join you?
Yes, you can join me.
Perfect.
Now, shadowing again.
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market.
I am meeting a friend.
I am meeting a friend.
You can join me.
You can join me.
Great progress.
Now, let's build strong confidence.
I can speak English fluently.
I can speak English fluently.
I am getting better every day.
I am getting better every day.
I can talk with people easily.
I can talk with people easily.
I feel confident now.
I feel confident now.
You are doing amazing.
Keep practicing daily and stay consistent.
In the next part, we will review everything and give you a strong final boost.
Stay with us. You are very close to fluency.
Welcome to the final part. You have done an amazing job.
Yes, you practiced many useful sentences. Now let's review quickly.
I wake up early.
I go to work.
I am busy.
I like coffee.
Let's go out.
Very good. These are simple but powerful sentences.
Now a short real-life conversation. Hi, Zane. What are you doing today?
I am a little busy, but I am free in the evening.
That's great. Let's meet later.
Sure, that sounds good.
See you soon.
Take care.
Excellent. This is natural English.
Now, final shadowing practice. Speak with confidence.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I feel confident.
I feel confident.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Now, final confidence lines. I can speak English clearly.
I can speak English clearly.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I will never give up.
I will never give up.
Keep practicing every day.
Speak simple English daily.
Use English in your real life.
The more you speak, the better you become.
Thank you for learning with Easy English Flow.
Keep practicing and stay confident.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Take care and keep your English flowing.
Goodbye, everyone.